Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to change Quick Chat in Among Us. First step is to open the Among Us app. From here, select Online. Then click on Create Game. In front of Quick Chat only, you can see a question mark. Tap on it. You can see here the chat type is set to Quick Chat. Now tap on the box here. This will switch your chat type from Quick Chat only to Free Chat. This is how you can change a Quick Chat in Among Us. If you guys got some value, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, goodbye.